Hey, do you need to connect a micro SD card to your MacBook? Well, this is how you do it. All right, so if you have an older MacBook, this is a 2018 or like a MacBook Pro from before 2021, 5, 6 years ago, you're gonna remember that there's only this USB-C slot right here. There is no SD slot. So what you're gonna need then are two things. First, you're gonna need a USB-C adapter. Now they can just be like one portal usage kind of thing where it's just for SD card. And this one, for example, has a mini SD and then it also has a regular SD. It has a USB-C, it has two USB-A ports and a HDMI. It's quite useful. But so this one, I could actually just go ahead and plug it in. Otherwise, you're going to need one of these adapters. And this adapter, it came with this micro SD, and this adapter is the same exact size as a normal SD card. And what you do is just plug it in this way. So make sure it's the right side, yeah. And then so if you have like GoPro, Twitch, what else, like a phone, something, security camera, something, then all you do is put that in here, and then we're going to go ahead, take this adapter. And like I said, this one actually does have a mini slot, but in case it didn't, then you could just go ahead and put this in, put that in, and then we're going to plug it in to the USB and give it a little bit of time. The light is on. And so it's going to ask you, updates, no, that's not the right one. All right, so took a little bit of time, but then it popped up, enjoy. And then, yeah, so then there we go. And I just want to remind you that when you do unplug it, don't just pull it out. Don't just pull the cord out, or don't just pull the card out. You want to do it safely, and that is through a proper ejection. So proper ejection is actually just, all you have to do is go down to the eject, drag it down to the eject, and then it will work. Okay, so thanks for watching. If this video helps, please like, subscribe. Bye-bye.